Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ramon with the Rhodesian Konnection. So I'm running some errands today, and one thing I like to have is my coffee in the morning. Unfortunately, due to the timing of my errands, and I woke up a little bit late, I didn't have my coffee. So what's the next thing I had to do is get myself some pastries. And one thing in Turkey, oh my God, it's like pastries galore. If you don't watch yourself, you can turn into like a, I don't know, Humpty Dumpty.
Here you go.
So I bought a whole bunch of stuff. You know what happens is sometimes, you know, when you look at stuff, it looks so delicious and you just want to, like, you know, grab a piece of that. So this is like a very sweet, it's almost like a pastry that's made from the tahini sauce. It's like delicious, but it's so freaking hot. I won't touch it right now. I'll wait for it to cool off a little bit. And I got myself also some cheese pastries with a lot of sesame seeds on it. So
try it.
Let me give that a nice big bite.
It's good.
I love stuff with cheese. And the sesame is like amazing. Let's see what else I got here. This is something that is very popular in Turkey. It's the gözleme. So I got the one that's with the spinach. So that's how it looks. It's like a big roti, and Turkish roti. And let me break it open. Check out the spinach just popping out of the roti here. You know, when we go to the West Indian places in States, like the Trinidad or Jamaican places, they make a roti, you know, with they put some sort of a dal, like chickpeas inside there. So in Turkey, they stuff it with different things. They can put cheese in there. They can put potatoes. In this case, I wanted to have something with chlorophyll, so that's why I chose the one with the spinach. I feel like Popeye the Sailor.
What else did you get?
Yeah, I got one more thing. It's another pastry with cheese in it.
Oh. Too much cheese for me.
So, you know, I'm gonna just have a small piece of that.
I'll have a tahini cookie.
Nothing like having fresh baked goods that just came out of the oven and you know, made right now. So guys, let's continue this journey. The famous Soli Center. It's a little small mall, and I'm just gonna give you a small glimpse of it through my car. And you can do a little shopping there, have a bite, or just chill out, you know. So another mall in Mersin. So guys, I'm in the market. It's a fresh farmers market where we're gonna pick up a few things, groceries that we need. It's really great to be here because there's so many different varieties of fruits and vegetables. You know, we just do a bunch of bargaining. And we just check out the variety and the abundance. It's like amazing. Nar ne kadar?
Nar 25, doğal süper.
25. Okay.
Evet teyzesi. Teyzene yardımcı ol.
Yeah, these are
This is
persimmons.
good. These are good.
Persimmons, you know, like really amazing fruit that are hard to find in other places.
Her şey düşerse Look over here, Nar.
Yeah, 20.
No, those are shit. But look at this, guys. 1 kilo of pomegranate for 20 lira, which is like not even $1.
Check out the pumpkins. I mean, these are huge. And one thing about the pumpkins here in Turkey, they're freaking sweet. Just check that out. Imagine that being in an oven and you're eating that like it's gonna come out like a dessert. Radishes. These are like so delicious just to eat them raw. They always have at these bazaars are tatlı, which is the sweets. And these are basically like donuts dipped into syrup. This one's like an empanada, sweet empanada. Check out these freaking mushrooms, man. These are like delicious. That's definitely one thing in Turkey. You have a lot of abundance of vegetables and fruits. Avocado is by the kilo. And kiwi. I check out the organic eggs. These are like 4 lira per, which is about
Straight
what?
from the
Straight from chicken's butt.
You see? You still
Chicken-
see the shit?
Yeah. That's how natural it is. And you've also got brown eggs over here. These are a little bit bigger. They are 450 tele, and these are slightly bigger eggs as well. One thing cool over here in Turkey is you can buy all sorts of different seeds and beans. This is the mung beans or the mosh. And then you've also got peas over here, the black-eyed peas. And a bunch of different things. You know, you even have different flours that come from different grains. So it's really cool. You pick up what you want, and it's by the kilo, so it's great. And this is my buddy over here. So, okay, hello. Check this out. This is Julia's marination of the chicken. We're going to be grilling in the oven very, very shortly. And it looks really, really delicious. That's our dinner for tonight. Now we're going to prepare some broccoli. This is Julia.
I prepared this olive oil with garlic and cilantro.
Yeah, this is a little homemade concoction that she put together. And this is going to be the base for the broccoli. And
Super simple. Broccoli and a garlic sauce.
I'm just gonna, like, you know, what are you gonna put else? A little salt? Make a little salt in there. And makes the sizzle a little bit more.
And I'll put a little bit of pepper.
Some spiced pepper. You know, we like everything spicy. Like I say, spice makes all things nice. And give it a little bit of a stir. And the good thing about preparing it like this, you know, you don't have to cook it for too long. Keep the crunch in it. Just give it like a little bit of a stir. And then that's it. Turn it off.
No.
I just
Let it
like
steam for a little bit.
it's gonna be part of the dinner. Made like a salad. And what's the dressing here, babe?
Just olive oil, lemon juice, freshly squeezed.
Check out that freaking beauty in there. Oh my god.
Almost ready.
Oh my god. Wow.
Let me just
Get that chicken out of there. Look at that baby. That's steaming, nice and crispy, full of those spices and juices. I'm going to get my ekmek and dip into that sauce. I don't care, fat or what. That is an awesome freaking chicken. And this chicken looks freaking massive. So we're gonna have like a big freaking dinner.
That's our dinner.
Yep, okay. Bon appetit. Alright guys, so I hope you liked this video. Another glimpse into our lives. And
See you tomorrow.
see you tomorrow. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Cheers from Rhodesian Konnection.